This video will show you the proper way to install a Salvajor 3300, 3900, or 5050 adapter. Note, a flathead screwdriver and 7/16" wrenches will be needed to tighten the adapter hardware and disposer clamp. Begin by placing the adapter against the cone or sink flange and place one half of the split ring against the flange. Align the split ring holes with the holes in the adapter and install the nuts, bolts, and washers finger tight. Attach the opposite split ring in the same manner, then tighten all nuts and bolts firmly to secure the adapter to the cone or sink flange. To attach the disposer to the adapter, slip the disposer's high car adapter over the adapter and tighten the top clamp on the disposer. For additional questions, contact Salvajor Service Department. For notifications on new content, please like and subscribe. Thank you for choosing Salvajor.